Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live market analysis for Bank Nifty. Today is the 29th of March 2023. The current time is 9:01 a.m. IST. And so let me just quickly start in terms of, what's happening. So, first thing is, yeah, I hope you are able to see some pattern. So, what I mean by pattern is, so let me switch to a much simpler chart, so I'll just clear this and from the pattern perspective is, this is, what is currently, I'm seeing it. Okay. So first of all is, we have this gap, this gap is, it's still, and this is where, this is a sign where, supply is present, so this is that gap. Okay. And this started, so basically so there are some sellers who came in around 41,600 or 41,800 or even 40,000 41,000 levels. Okay, so this is all from the, I'm talking from the March contract perspective. Okay, because tomorrow we have the expiry for March. Sorry, today is today the expiry or tomorrow the expiry? Sorry, today is the expiry, for the March. So I want to talk from the expiry point of view, how EXPIRY. Okay, sorry for this. So I want to focus on, the from the expiry point of view and why we are seeing, this choppiness from 40,000 to 39,000 or 39,200, why in this range. Okay, so the logic is, so first of all, first of all, I'm able to see that there is good supply and option sellers, so those who started selling, from a higher time frame perspective, who started selling, they are the ones who do not, okay, so they do not book their positions on the last day. Okay, they don't do that, so what they do is they do it a week before. For example, since last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, we are just chopping around, and the primary reason is those who started selling at the higher levels and at the lower levels, those are the ones who are exiting their position. So that's why we have seen higher volumes at 39,200 and higher volumes at around 40,000 levels. So those are the smart C and the PE sellers, and they are just booking their positions. That's why we are just having this wish-wash type of effect or a balancing, and such sort of balancing is definitely needed, because we can't have every day a trending up or trending down or a trending market, because this is the reason why we are trending up is for due to short covering. The reason why we are trending down is because of long liquidation. This is to move out the weak hands, and when there is balancing, so basically smart money are accumulating their positions, they are distributing their positions, they are booking profits, they are creating positions. So sideways movement is tells a lot in terms of and it's very important why the sideways movement is happening before the expiry, right? So that is the question you have to always ask. Okay, so looking at this data point, it is telling me first of all, yes, long-term players, they might have booked their positions, but not fully. The majority of their positions have been booked, and now what they'll be doing is they are just playing with their profits. Okay, now what has happened is, so first of all, for me, this gap is vital. This has created this has been created in the March contract, and what we see is we are falling down, rising up, but overall we are making higher lows. So this is the first sign of of bullishness from a higher time frame perspective. Second is, there are stops which are present, and at the moment, so after making this higher high, so from the structure perspective, we are just balancing, but the lows are still intact. Okay, so now I'll be looking at why the price did not broke below. So I'm looking for to see sort of a gap up opening, and first of all, this particular liquidity level, so above 40,000 level and then 40,200 level. Once this level cross, then then this is where a majority of supply is going to be present. Yeah, so this is around 40,800 to 40,200 levels. Okay, so the time is 9:06. We will have the pre-open data out, but this is what I wanted to share. What I'm looking at is we have nice balancing day. So 3 days we have just balanced. We have another balance. So for me, this is again a strong area of support. So if we open gap down, I'll be looking first of all at this level, and we also have got a poor low. So for me, 39 below 39,200 and 39,000. So these are the areas where I'll be looking for responsive buying, or the aggressive buying to come in. That's one option. That's one auction path. And the second auction path is, we open gap up. So there are stops, at this level. Plus, we also have got a good single print zone in terms of, so let me just erase this. And, we still have got this particular single print zone, which has not been tagged yet. So 40,200, will be the first area, which I'll be looking at. Now the pre-open data is out, so let me just clear all the drawings. Let me bring back my levels, and overall currently what we are seeing is we are just balancing in the previous week's range. Yeah, so this is the weekly balance low, this is the weekly balance high, and we are just as soon as the price goes below weekly balance low, buyers come in. As the price goes above weekly balance high, the sellers come in. So we are just just chopping around, and there is some rejection on the weekly VWAP levels. Okay, so the pre-open data is out. So now the pre-open data is 39,611. I was looking for a gap up, but yeah, that's fine. So what it is telling me is overall the inventory is long. From the pre-open data, the inventory is the price which is telling me it is flat. So 39,600 and 39,500, and here. So I was actually trading a lot yesterday. I think day before yesterday, Monday, it was in my entire trading career, I have taken the maximum trades about, so total was 704. Yeah. So this were the total executed trades. Tuesday, I had taken even not. So this is the max, the number of trades which I have taken purely from the scalper's perspective. Tuesday, I have taken about 200 trades. Yeah. So by this, I lost about 15k. This I lost about 3.5k. So this is with brokerage and everything. Yeah. So overall, I'm in a loss of 18.5, or you can consider minus, or 20k. That's what I have lost in the 2 days. Now it's not that I'm emotional, or oh man, I should take this. No, this is the price which I have paid, and the main reason for my loss making is execution and not staying. So basically the runners, so the runners which I have, I'm not basically actually letting them run. As soon as I see the profit, I just book them out. Yeah. So that is some of the reasons, and plus yeah, so I would not consider that is my problem, but I do have to consider of the premium erosion. So I am actually trading with 5-point stop loss. So whatever option I buy, my SL is of 5 point. So as soon as I enter, let's say it's it's trading at 200, right? I enter market, so it's 202. My SL becomes 198. Then from 200 to 198, 2 point, it's pretty quick. Sometimes I have seen from 200 price goes to 191, and then my order executes at so as soon as the price hits 191, I the API it triggers the market order, and it actually is taken at 188. So my buying price is 202 and my selling price, or my exit is 188. So if you see, there is a delta of 14 points, and that is the reason why I'm making. So in fact I'm trying for 5 points, but actually my SL is getting by 14 points to the minimum. And then what happens is once the SL hits, then the price just moves up again. It goes to 200 again. I enter. So this was the wish wash effect, which I have to take care in terms of the overall execution. Okay, so now what is it that now I'm looking at? So first of all, for me the reference is previous day high. We have the prominent point of control. So we are opening above 39,600, and if I bring in the options data, okay. So we have 39,500 as the immediate support. So the overall trade plan for me is, first of all, previous day high, because one is the previous day high, and then there is 39,700, and so do we continue higher, because these are the three areas. So 39,800, 39,700, and 39,600. These are the areas where there are stops, particularly stops being present. So my action plan is, so first of all, this high, 39,700, and this particular high. So do we get a good continuation to the higher and see some exhaustion and then come back? So I'll let the price go, but first of all, I'll be observing at 39,600. If it starts falling, and if I see a sort of a rejection, then I'll be chasing, and I'll be booking my exiting at 39,500, because 39,500 is an immediate is a bigger level, is a bigger zone, because yesterday at this particular level, that's where the overall price was just developing. So this is where supply tried to came in. They tried to take lower. Again, the third time they tried to take lower, then they failed. Again they tried. So 1, 2, 3, this was a failure. 4, so 4 times, this is the level, which was being tested, and people were just trying to short, and then we had later on we had a short covering rally. Okay, so yes, so that's the overall trade plan for which I have for today. And from the order flow perspective, yeah, so there's nothing I don't see any trapped buyers. There are some trapped buyers on the top, which might act as the level of support. Yeah, so I'll just share my one-click terminal, the broker screen, and I'll just quickly look at how much funds I have available to trade today. So the time is 9:14, and the auction will open in some time. So in couple of seconds, sorry, not some time. Okay, so let me just open my one click. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so these are the funds available, 23k, and yeah, let's see. So first of all, I'll be observing the reaction. The auction will open in next 10 seconds. So yeah, let's see how it okay, so we opened. Okay, some issue with my Go charting. This is not getting updated. Yeah, so let me hit refresh. But yeah, I'm seeing from the trading view, I'm seeing a good rejection at 39,600. Yeah. Okay, so why the data feed is not getting updated here, but on the futures the data feed is getting updated. So then I need to wait and watch. So now we are seeing some short covering here. I'm seeing the timer is right, but why it is not getting loaded? So let me just clear my cache. Okay, so my algo is telling me to sell, and there is this push happening at 39,700. Okay, so I entered a short trade, but yeah, it just it hit my SL. Okay, yeah, so we are seeing supply getting exhausted around this level. Okay, so my charts are not loading, but I am seeing buyers coming in. It has cleared the area, and yes, it is clearly, it is gone up. So your volumes are still okay, decent enough, not enough volume, and overall, yeah. So this is so I taken about 4 trades. You see entry exit, but yeah, overall I'm in a loss starting, because my SL are just keep on getting hit, and these are just my 5-point SL. So we are having some supply trapped buyers up. Okay, why this chart is not loading? Yeah, so some issue with my charting software, that's fine, but yeah, I'm now seeing some continuation. Now the buyers are the ones who are getting trapped here. Okay, so yeah, so my sell algo is telling me to now. Let's see, so it has broken 39,700, and I'm just now looking for some continuation lower. So I am active in a put trade. Yeah, so this is my SL, this is the LTP, and this is the MTM. And it might get hit. Yeah, it has gotten hit. So I entered at 200, and yeah, so this is how, yeah, so already lost about 1k. I'm seeing some rejection at 39,700, and now after hitting my SL, yeah, that's fine, so yeah, let's see. So why are my charts not loading? That's the issue I have. So this is a nice fall. So we have got some trapped, or sellers present from the order flow. Now I'm looking for some responsive buying. I have entered a long trade. Nope, buying did not sustain. So some buyers are coming in, people are exiting here. And now we might see some short covering. Okay, short covering is happening now. There should be some supply coming in at this level. And I am active in a call trade. So I'm just trailing my SL 26, 27, 28. Yeah, let's see, because now I'm looking for some supply and this might get triggered. Yeah, it has got triggered. Some supply is coming in. So we have got some good buying level here. But yeah, this is where supply is coming in. 317325. Yeah, but overall I'm still in a loss of $1,200. This is the MTM, or what do you call it, the funds available. I don't know why my charts are not getting loaded. Yeah, anyway, so if the charts are not getting loaded now, I'm seeing buyers again coming in, and the short covering is happening now. Okay, so yeah, I entered again 349 to 356, 24. Yeah, about just and yeah, so it's still going up. So from 1200 to about 1000, so but yeah, okay, still it's continuing, and there are some traps. There is a buying level here. So what we have now is, one is this zone, and this is other zone as support, and supply is really good. It is coming in, and nice fall happening. So look above and fail. Yeah, I took a short trade. Yeah, to 26 to, yeah, you see how quickly it is getting triggered. So overall, yeah, reducing the loss, but yeah, we should see some buying, because these are all stacked buyers. So we should see some choppiness, and good absorption of supply happening. Yeah, so it's not supply is still coming in. Just getting, yeah, again, so my put trade, it did not work out. So yeah, I'm just getting chopped off, 67, 64, 58, 56. Yeah, that is particularly fine. So again back to the 1100 loss. Now some supply, looking for supply to come in. We are having trapped inventory, but yeah, so I'm looking for now downward movement. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so I'm just getting chopped off, left, right and center. 54 entering, exiting at 40. So here is where 14 points, 15 points, and yeah, here is also where. But yeah, so now good short covering is happening. 68, 69. Yeah, still it got hit. Still supply is still coming in. So yeah, I'm waiting for supply to get shut off and clear this zone. But nope, supply is still coming in. Yeah, supply is still coming in here. So we'll look below and fail, we'll look above, and we are just seeing some supply getting exhausted. Yeah, so my puts are also so 57, and yeah, so just 5 seconds is where but yeah, I'm still in loss, getting chopped off left, right and center, even though the trade is working out as per my understanding. But yeah, I'm just getting chopped off. Okay, so overall a 2.2k loss. I'm still looking, I just want to add to my supply, but yeah, if you see 53, 51, and I'm just getting left, right and center just getting chopped off. 62. 63. Yeah, and it got triggered. So yeah, so tough day for me, but that's particularly, that's okay. Seeing supply is getting exhausted. Yeah. Okay. So 2.5k is the overall loss for today. Yeah. So I still need to continue practice and need to hold my trades longer. So with that, yeah, ending this session, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah. Take care.